Yo guys, how's it going? Hope you're good and welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video you've probably already seen 2 boxes means sneakers, and this means I'll be going through sneaker reselling in this video and just talking on the basics of like the size, the price, whether you should quick sell them or hold on to them. Before we get into the video guys, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, and now let's get into the video. Okay, here we are guys. These are the Air Jordan 1 low, black, white and grey. It's an all leather shoe, so there's no suede material or anything like that. I mean, the benefit of having leather trainers is that it's easy to clean, and the colorway of it, as you see, is similar to the black and white dunks or the pandas, what a lot of people call them. And yeah, I do think these are probably going to go up slightly up in value, not too much. This is just me thinking it might go, but again, I could be wrong. But yeah, the colorway is very nice. I like the colorway, different from last year. Last year they had like the green ones and I believe the blue ones. I think the blue ones are very nice. Okay guys, moving on to the retail and the resale pricing for these Air Jordan 1 low. Now the retail I got it for $54.95 for each pair, and the resale is looking okay. It's not amazing, like it's not like something you're going to make a huge profit on at the moment. They are bricks, and you'll probably be looking for 10 to 15 pound profit each pair. You could probably go for a bit higher, maybe on like Depop, Facebook Marketplace, and all of these other markets. But I do think that because the colorway, the resale might go up a little bit, not by a huge amount. Just you're probably making 25 or 30 pound profit. That's only if you hold on to them. And for me at the moment, I'm just going to quick sell one pair ASAP and probably hold on to the other one till I can get a good respectable offer and just make the profit margin a little bit higher. Now coming into one of the important parts of the video, how did I manage to cop this? Not one but 2 pairs. The strategy I took this time was basically entering only 2 accounts instead of using like 4 or 5 accounts on the Nike app. I mean, on the sneakers is a draw, and we all know that you want to enter as many accounts as possible, but just making sure your information is different. And it goes the same with the Nike. Even though you place the order and and they say you're in a queue, it's still like a draw at the end of the day. They always pick people randomly. It's not like, oh, it's first come first serve. Like you could be entering the accounts like as fast as possible, you still not even get it. So what I did was I only entered 2 instead of like 4 accounts, and just jigged my address a little bit. With if you got like a letter O in your address, I just change it to 0, and they still delivered to my house, and it worked. Is brick flips worth it? Guys, in my opinion, I think they are, because if you're low on capital, you can't invest into your setup or buy the bot. This is another way of growing your capital in the short term, and growing your sneaker page as well online on social media. So it is worth it. However, the downside is that the profit margin is very low. You're probably making 10 pound profit mainly, or 15 pound profit, but not much. However, you gotta look at the positive perspective, because this is gonna help you grow your capital, grow your business on your social media page, and get your business out there, get your name out there. So in my opinion, it is worth it. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. And you must be wondering what I'll be doing with these trainers. So I'm going to be quick selling one of them, and I'll be holding on to the other pair. Just want to see how it goes in the future in terms of how the resale price goes and how it plays out. And just before we go guys, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and as always guys, have a nice day and peace.